Oh, uh, fried rice with meat. Yan, pagkain namin. And then, kalamansing kalamansing mainit. Swam, ang tawag dito, swam. Yung mild lang na na mainit. Ayan, with pugi. Same lang. Ayan. Pipino with sus. Ayan, ganyan. Kain tayo guys, kain. Kain kami. Okay. Let's eat.